Hey everybody, this is PopBankers team.
Implemented a comprehensive solution using SaaS that transforms the credit evaluation process by integrating automations, artificial intelligence, and advanced analytics into a unified platform. This solution enables data consolidation, risk modeling, financial analysis, and automatic credit recommendations efficiently, scalably, and aligned with the technological innovations.
Credit evaluation process faced multiple challenges: manual tools, constant reprocessing, decentralized information source, and pressure for fast response times. Issues limited the team's ability to perform deep financial analysis, weaken customer experience, and reduce operational efficiency.
We develop a front-end report in SaaS Visual Analytics that allows the user to execute the Prospect AI solution. It integrates with the back-end flow using parameters and jobs. Basically, the user enters the ID that wants to consult and click the button Execute Prospect AI to run the solution.
After running the Prospect AI solution, the user will get this automatically generated PDF report that contains general company information and the result of the different analyses performed throughout the process that we will review later in the video, as well as a recommendation on whether to approve or deny the credit application and its corresponding justification.
One of the key stages in our process involves the use of the quantitative rating model. The goal of this model is to classify each client into 6 different risk levels, giving us a clearer understanding of their financial profile. This is achieved through our logistic regression models using data from fiscal financial statements. It's a crucial step that helps us identify how stable and solid the company's financial indicators are, which strengthens our overall risk management. Another great advantage of the new version of SaaS is improved model building and comparison capabilities. With this version, comparing models becomes easier and more intuitive since the process automatically generates a PDF report that highlights key performance indicators such as KS and ROG curve. In short, this upgrade not only makes the analytical process more efficient, but also enhances decision making by delivering clear, reliable information in a faster and more visual way.
We then create a sectorial analysis node using a SaaS program that basically calculates different financial indicators grouped by sector. This serves as a benchmark to assess each company's performance against its corresponding sector. The next step, we use the random forest model that we previously published in SaaS Model Manager with the trained data. We include a custom step that connects the model to the flow and allows us to integrate the result into the data we are building. This allows us to estimate the event probability that we transform into a categorical variable that it is easier to understand and analyze later on. We built an automated system that extracts and analyzes news from top media sources every day. It cleans, normalizes, and processes data using advanced sentiment models from Hugging Face, classifying the news as good or bad. This daily data helps us to identify early signals and alerts from the media, enhancing commercial credit risk analysis.
Context for this stage. In this stage, we prepare and send to the LLM a structured package describing the company. That package is a contract first JSON. It defines what the model must analyze and how it must return results. So we can turn them unambiguously into a report that supports the analyst's decision. Flow continuity. From the consolidated base, the select company is taken and only the variables that add value to the credit decision are structured. They are grouped in 4 blocks that organize information the way the analyst reviews and evaluates it. general information, financial indicators, model results, recommendation as an executive output for the decision. These 4 blocks are exactly what LLM receive and the same structure it must return. Why JSON before calling the LLM? We use JSON because it turns analysis into a verifiable contract the LLM must respect. It answers only within the defined structure. It is auditable, portable, and scalable across the flow. Contract-driven, LLM decision-oriented. An input object is generated with strict prompts to receive JSON only with the same blocks. We send it to the LLM and persist the response for traceability. The goal is to deliver clear, consistent decision criteria in the same structure. Financial agent, explicit rules that save time. The model acts as an agent with explicit rules. Leverage above threshold is flagged. Liquidity below threshold is penalized. Margin consistency gets the recommendation. Those indicators become objective criteria, and the analyst gains time for deeper analysis where human judgment has the most value. Commit-ready and auditable report. Using the report object, we produce a corporate PDF, branded cover, justified narrative, traffic light tables, and a KPI visual panel and clear conclusions. The PDF is the final artifact the organization needs for the commit, versionable, traceable, and stored in auditable repositories. Operations and scale. Batch ready with early validations and environment-based configuration. The same structure scales to more companies without losing consistency. This segment ensures end-to-end governance, contract JSON, a rule-constrained LLM, persistent evidence, and a report ready to support the decision. It is a team effort that turns consolidated data into an actionable recommendation, reducing turnaround time and raising decision quality.
Impact. Reduce data collection and consolidation time by 500%. Increase credit team productivity by 50%. Automated financial analysis and credit recommendations. Modernized tools and fostered a culture of innovation and continuous learning.
Inspired by the need to free the team from repetitive tasks and empower them focus on high-value analysis. This solution not only impacts the business, but also enhances customer experience and their well-being. After the hackathon, we see great potential to scale the approach to other financial process and business areas.